Hey, chat, how's it going, chat? Hope everybody's having a good day. Let me bring on Savage. Has some technical difficulties, but I'll be right on. Hold on. So,
All right. This
oh, right there. That's where it came in right now.
should be good now.
Yep, right there.
All right, I should be good. Going myself. There we go. All right. Sorry for the technical difficulties. There we go. So I just want to say, Brick, your magic box that we called out last night to choke the market and took the here 30,114 was a beautiful trade. If we were able to hold that all the time, that would have been $1,300 on one micro contract. Beautiful short with only risking like 20 bucks. So my next contract that I'm looking for is come out to the 4-hour chart. This is my wick test up here. Is we come down and rip. Hey Brick, you're on mic up here. Okay. But I'm looking for a long minimal risk around 29,363. But I'm gonna run fibs on this to see where we sit. Man, this would be a nasty short down to 2,800s, Brick. Sits a little lower than I would like with my fibs. I like it in the 61.8 on to the 78.6 range, but this fair value gap sits down here way low. I mean, if you're taking options, you would only be risking minimal for Good push out. All right, let's have everyone smash it like. No? You don't want to talk about that yet? Rick's got some special news for everyone out here, but he's not going to tell anyone. What's going on, team? Team, what do you think about us long here around 29,363, or would you push us down further past?
I don't think I'm somewhat here so far. Wait. Something is up. What happened to the cameras? Oh, we lost like that. We lost Savage for a minute.
Oh yeah, I'm back. Something happened with my computer. Am I back on, Burke? Okay. Hey, Dandy, welcome to YouTube Live. You are now talking to the world. You want to tell him what El Presidente has said? Somebody didn't tell her it was a day late, but it's still a good song. Still a good song. I love it. Team, I see that. Not me yet. What was your target, Dandy? G-Wiz is out there taking that profit. He's got buying some Wagyu steaks somewhere. Steak and salmon. kind of in the middle of a zone that I like. Not sure where to be in. Let me look at it, see what that was. You know, the previous week wick test high would be that's where I have that zone here, that 29,363. I might take my long there. $363.50. It would be a previous. What week was that? Was that 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks ago? No, I'm not looking for. I mean, this weekly candle's pushing hard. I don't know. Yeah, I don't want to fight the trend right now, but sorry, I had to throw my mic on mute. The baby fell off a chair. For y'all didn't hear him screaming. Somebody, yeah, Mr. Up Down. Somebody's taking care of him. He's good. Yeah, he falls a lot, so he's good.
All right. My bad, man. My bad. Here we go.
All right, I did put a buy limit.
Stream. I don't know what happened there for the delayed stream, but we're here. What are you looking at? A buy?
Yeah, it's 29,363. Yep.
Right. I'm gonna share my chart here real quick. Here we go.
Yeah, let's see this big box.
Let me also see what I've been working on. Trading view over here. Got the previous day close, the open, days open, Asia orb high, Asia orb low, previous day low. So it looks like we're gonna reject the low. Here, we got my proprietary. I need to make that a little bit darker. Hey, can't show too much of what's going on over there. But as you guys can see, this is something that I've been working on. Just the orbs and whatnot, show the VWAPs and whatnot. Bro, this market is wild. I don't know what's going on with this market, but yesterday I was telling Savage, I started working on more on TradingView so I can show certain things. And yesterday, this happened here, this big spike. No, that's today. Hold on. Yesterday. Right here. So yesterday Tesla had a crazy pump up of $5 at 320, 325. And I thought that that was going to mean something good for the market. But then I lost it. I saw it lose it all. And that's why when I got yesterday on the phone with Savage last night, I'm like, this is going to keep shorting because the way that it lost that aggressively, right? So once I seen this loss, I'm like, yeah, something is cooking on the back end that we have no idea what's going on. And then today we had the gap down. We popped up and then immediately rejected the top, which is the fill of the gap, and then Torsi wrote straight down from there. So these are things I'm starting to use TradingView a little bit more. I use normally Weeble, but I'm starting to use this more. And then when we go to MNQ, I'm working on an algorithm. See, it called out a short here. And now it's just lally-dagging from here. But overall, let me see. This looks like a mess. But overall, I can see this market coming down to the 29,250 area, right around this area here. I think I gotta remember to use certain features on this again. So if we go to the daily, this is my daily box here. We'll switch over to the 5. We're in that box, right? Put a no, not a white border. We'll leave the black border, no background, and we'll make this border red just so I can make it stand out that it's the daily block. Should be up here. But I really see this market. So this is the bottom of the box that I just drew. Let me make that darker, make it a little bit thicker. This is the daily box. And honestly, this is just me. This is how I try to develop some of my zones for the day. And then for today's trading, let me pull up my other chart on my other broker because I got zones in this broker. And I do have a zone at 466 that we just bounced off. This looks kind of crazy. I gotta work on that off screen. But right now, I also started working on a little status box, right? It creates the 15-minute orb. It lets me know, the orb is still forming on Asia, if that's correct. I don't even know. No, this is the 15-minute orb. When I go to the 15-minute, it shows the orb, the VWAP, it tells me it's below or above, and then it gives me some type of bias depending on where it's at. But right now, I still this thing coming down, and I'm potentially down to the 250 zone. And I have a 130 zone in my other chart. Let me see. I can read this other chart a little bit better, which is weird. Some charts I can read better than others depending on what platform it is, which is so weird. I don't know if you had that experience as well, Savage.
Yeah.
Sell side liquidity at 29,242 says team.
And
I got
had
a 323.
I got it marked out on my chart here as well.
Let's take a look there.
Put that on there.
Okay. So yeah, right now that's what I'm looking at. This is a seller's market. Oh wow, we got a lot of people in the Discord. Come on, let me
Yeah,
unmute the
so
Discord so I
the
can hear.
you see from this wick from the sixth area, yeah, the wick to down. That's the sell side liquidity. I think team's looking at is a lot of what that is a lot of people put stops. If they went long, they'll put their stops below this wick and keep riding it up. So what the market does is it comes down and looks for that sell side liquidity. So it takes that liquidity, working and takes its next move up. This is the whole concept behind that.
And guys, as you guys can see, some of the graphics have changed. We are working with Halcyon now. They got some great deals on some cheap accounts if you want to get into the trading space nice and cheap. You got, of course, two options when you go buy an account with them. I'm actually trying to pull it up right now as we speak. So you can get an account as cheap as $32, right? 1 day to pass, no consistency rules, DCA allowed. And that's for the light. That's for the light, but it has a activation. And then without activation fee, it's $75 for the 25K, 50K is 102, and the reset fees are 94, which is pretty competitively priced. End the day drawdown, you got a choice of trailing drawdown end the day, so you get 40% off. HFT, feel free to log in there, get your account, support the stream. We'll be able to do giveaways. So this is nothing that's for us, it's all to give back to the community. So we're just trying to get it. That's just the fact. CISD might deliver long now. Change in state of delivery. We learning the acronym, Savage.
How about that? I was impressed.
We're learning. Got a whole dictionary over here.
You need it. You'll need it.
So let me look at that change in state of delivery. So when you see that on the 5 minute?
Yeah, I'm on the 5 minute on this chart here.
Okay.
I'm just mapping out my orb for.
Oh, look at that, the Tory trends.
Hey, now we're hitting the top of the trend.
Wow, I gotta go get my other headphones. This is driving me insane. Hold on.
Hey team, I see the change of state of delivery, but I'm looking at just as more of a manipulation. I'm still sitting on my long down here, 29,363 is what I'm looking for in a long. I wouldn't be even opposed to taking an easy short here. Smack at. And I'll take that down. Let's see my risk, what I'm gonna risk on this. Take a risk there. There. Take 100 points down, and then I'll look for. We have a big range for Asia session.
All right, Savage, you ready for something?
Yeah, boy.
Check it out. So, how many remember my little great watch? Wait, what camera am I on? Why am I on that camera? It should be on this other camera. Hold on.
Did you upgrade to a $3 watch?
Bro, that's my dollar watch that I haven't charged. Why am I on that camera? Let me see if I can switch cameras. Nope. Uh-oh. Oh, look what I got back.
Oh, that's zoomed in, Bert.
Yeah. That's working again. Hold on. Oh, this is live. It is what it is.
Yeah, we're transparent, y'all. Is what it is.
I ain't worried about it.
I got a baby screaming in the back, and Burke's got a camera up his nose.
Shows you that we are true family folks here. Oh, but that ain't working now. I don't know. So, how everything just. Let me add another video capture real quick. Let's try this one. Yeah, right there.
Oh, look at that.
Look at. Oh!
Somebody look at that.
Somebody come look at this.
We got Burke's
I don't know.
face on
I'm
the screen.
superimposing a camera on a camera. Here we go. Right there. All right, that's gonna have to work for now. God, forgive me. Let me remove that one, and I think I should be using like studio mode for all of this, but you know, bro, check out my whatnot. My dog want to go out. The other day when I went onto whatnot, I finally got some more stuff delivered while the market moves because it ain't going nowhere. Let me fix this. Bro. Iced out. I am now iced out. Look at that. I'm going to be iced out.
Ice, baby.
The ice on that. Look at the ice on that.
Look at it.
Yeah. Who doing it like us? Don't worry about the manicure, but who doing it like us? Ain't nobody doing it like us with $2 whatnot fines. Nah.
That's funny.
I'm gonna do some content with this stuff, post it all over social media.
That's kind of funny.
I just gotta have a good time with that stuff, man. Oh,
And we gotta find you those $2 Lambos, and we'll be set.
Let me go. Oh, you muted in Discord, and that's why I was listening to you through.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, that's I unmuted you in the control room. All right, there we go.
Okay.
Boom. Yeah, we're good.
I was getting some crazy feedback, so.
Yeah, because I was also speaking over here without muting. But I don't know. This lawn looks pretty decent. What time frame is that? So why?
You talk about long being decent, and I took a short off Tory Trends, and it doesn't look so promising right now. Meanwhile, Team over here has got 10 contracts. He's looking for a target of 573. If it hits 573 for Team, he made $1,200.
I like the short. I really like the short. I'm gonna try a short here. This account. Let me put Let me show my charts. I went ahead and took a short as well right there at the top. I got a zone right there. Team. Yeah, team called that out beautifully. But that's where
Yeah,
I
he
took
got
a
it.
short right up here. You can see that even though the bias on my little algorithm is changing to bullish on the 15-minute, 5-minute is bullish, 1 minute of course is going to be bullish. So I'm just going to try to go for a quick scalp. So I'm going to buy 2 down here. I really like that short. Just to go back a little bit and maybe right back down to Asia orb low, which won't be a lot of points, 30, 40 points or so, but let's see if we can get a retracement. Even though this 5-minute candle on the orb, actually I should have looked at this a little bit sooner, it kind of broke above the orb and the next candle opened right on top of the orb. So that is a bullish momentum there. So we can possibly go up here to the top of the previous day close and then a rejection. I just kind of jumped at this because I was drawing a trend line and I have a zone there at 567. That's actually a zone that I called for the sell this morning on Luna's Discord. I had called for the sell, the 567. I was driving. I was going to a realtor summit, and literally right here, this is where we was getting the shorts in at market open. I had took a short from here to here, and then I had called here, but I was on the road, so I didn't stay on it. But as we see, it played out beautifully. Oh wait, I'm looking at my other chart. My bad, yeah. So here I was calling a short. Right in here, we're on Luna's Lounge. It was calling a short in here. I had got in one position because I was on the road and I was calling a 567. It came down to 568.75 area. It had a little push up, but I was in from up here. Yeah, this is where I caught it, the 744 area here. And then it came down here and I got out, went back up, came down, 567, and boom. So my buy limit is actually right now for this trade is wigged down from 11 o'clock. Might not work out because of the way that it went bullish, but we shall see. We shall see. See if we can get a push down here.
I added a second contract. It was at 50%. It's also the 200 EMA and SMA are both right here. So if we push above this, I'm going to get stopped out, which is going to be $176 loss. Isn't terrible. I'm on a 2-minute time frame here.
So that
slows things down a little bit. Yeah, this is a 2-minute time frame. It's like the MACDs are starting to print a little bit lower, so the momentum's slowing down. I like this.
Anybody see anything different?
Besides Teams Long, he printed $1,200.
Oh, let's go, team. Oh, team, we're gonna have to have you on, man.
Yeah, he closed out at 73. It was his TP. So
oh yeah, I see his chart right now. Beautiful trade, team. Come on.
From 511 to right there, 73. Assuming he closed it. Team's a low-key killer.
He is. Sniping charts for rotten tickets. I love it.
I'm gonna take one more entry in here for 3 contracts. I like what I'm seeing with this Mac turning over right here at 50%.
Guys, how did everybody do during the day session if you traded it? What did everybody do? Interested to know how did everybody else do throughout the day?
I did well. I got here. I closed up 410 on one account and the other one 537.
Let's go. So this trade is just going to linger here for a while. We shall see what it does.
This was the top. So, other than that.
Yeah, what about chat? Chat, how did you guys do? Check my email real quick. How did everybody else do, chat? Anybody take any trades? Nobody took anything? You see that I've created the little scrolling banner now?
Yeah, it looks good.
I'm trying to learn, man. Green Day says JD. Did you wish JD yesterday a happy birthday on stream?
I did.
Let's go.
And Doc.
And Doc, that's right. I meant to ask. I wonder if Doc and JD, as they share the same birthday, do they share any relatives? Like a dad or something? I don't know.
We all have the same father.
That's it. Come on now. That's where we was getting. Come on. Come on. That's it right there. Same father. I got BE today in the NY session, went 550 in P&L and hit break even. Oh?
Well, you made 1,500 here, so you tripled it. There you go, Doc. Brother from another mother.
Guys, I drunk 2 shots of espresso and it still doesn't wake me up. It was a long day. So,
yeah, third.
As you guys know, I'm a realtor, right, for my day job. All right. Something that I came across today that I have never encountered. I'm trying to find new homes now. But my brother from another mother. Now, come on. But I've never heard of this. So the home that I got on the contract is what they call a manufactured home, right?
Yep.
And this manufactured home, the people have been living on this land for 20 years. The home itself is not 20 years old. It's only about 8 years old. But they filed, supposedly, this is all speculation at this point because of the issue that I'm having. So they filed their title 20 years ago for the land. There's no record of it. Oh, forgive me. There's no record of the land being registered or titled. So here we are 2 weeks away from closing and title can't get a title clear to close.
Ugh.
So this means that my buyers right now essentially become homeless at the day of closing because, they turned in, bro, this trade is going against me. We're going to
Yep.
Previous day close.
Yeah, I'm gonna get smoked on mine.
Here we go. We're at previous day close right now. I actually want to add. I'm gonna try to add. All right, so I added another one, and the reason you don't see me executing over here, guys, on trading view, is because this account that I'm using is a Trade-O-Bait account on the platform. I don't really like executing here on Trade-O-Bait, Trade View. So I'm executing the buy bid and sell ask on Trade-O-Bait, and you just see the position take place. This is on a Blue Sky launch account. Oh, government was on there. Wait a minute. I don't care. But that's a Blue Sky account, and I'm just trying to get that eval through. Yes, Trading View does slip big time. So I execute on Trade-O-Bait, and then I just check it on Trading View. But so whether this trade goes back into profits and get me in the profits down here. So now I'm stuck in between a rock and a hard place because my peoples don't go to, they become homeless essentially, right? They turned in their lease. They've got nowhere to go. So that's
the question
where I'm
becomes, whose land is it if there's not title to it?
Yeah. They got to go see a judge. And since they have to go see a judge, they have two options. Either the judge grants them, right, because they can prove that they've been there for the last 20 years, or the land has to go into the classified area of the paper and to see if anybody claims the land or has proof that the land is theirs.
What's the property address? No.
It's a nice 1.5 acre lot. So
hey,
this
I'm
is
looking for a
the type of
property.
mess that we get into as agents, right? And today at the summit that I was at, I actually asked 2 title companies, have they ever encountered something like this? They're like, we've never seen that. So who knows what's gonna happen? Hopefully in 2 weeks we'll be able to close.
I saw something in response for realtors. It says, this is an auto response from our corporate world. I'll be away for 2 weeks, returning August 27th. If this is an urgent matter, please contact your account executive. An auto response from a real estate agent. I'm out of the office for the next 2 hours, undergoing kidney transplant. I'm still available via text. If anything's urgent, I'll be at St. John's Hospital, room 311. Feel free to interrupt my surgeon.
Come on. All right, here we go, guys. We're moving into profit.
I still like these shorts because MACD is printing lower, which means the momentum to the upside is kicking. I just need to see this hard push down below here.
Here we go. We're going down in the profits, $50. This is an eval. I don't even know the rules of this eval. This is just an account that I have won. So let's see if we can get it at least towards the Asia orb. We're rejecting the previous day close. We're rejecting the days open. So let's see if we can get a nice push down here. Let's see, risk management is on point right now. We was into, just added one more. We can easily hold this through whatever it brings, right? See this thing dump. So here on the 5 minute, we're getting to my proprietary. So this, yeah, as I talk about it, there it goes. It starts rejecting right back up. So I don't even know how to create Trade-O-Bait stop loss. See if we can get this nice push down, nice rejection. Guys, I'm going to ask you for one favor though. Those in the chat right now, I am going to ask for one favor. Even if you don't need an account right now, do me a favor. Do me a favor, even if you don't get an account, feel free to click that link, accept the cookies, and that would at least allow us to be able to generate some traffic on that. Go ahead and
we can get some of those free accounts and pass out.
Yeah, that's the goal right now, is to get some free accounts. So we got to show traffic onto these links and we'll be good to go.
Yeah, Bert, did they you said that is Rhythmic you can trade on?
Yeah, you can trade on Rhythmic, you can trade on Wealth Charts, Trade C, Quant Tower. So any Rhythmic account that you have, you can trade it on.
They also have deep charts on their system. And I like their predictions market. I'm about to start playing in that.
Oh yeah, they do have a predictions market for those that like predictions as well. Use code HFT. Don't be confused with HTF, right? Because interesting, they are what is it? Halcyon Trader Funding, and we are highly favored trading. So
Rhythmic is built into Trade C, so you can trade through there. Nope.
No, you don't have to open the Rhythmic app. Gosh, boom. Just.
All right, what are we looking at here?
Put on my bling bling. Put on my bling bling.
Dump it, dump it.
Let's go. This trade is gonna pay for this 10 times over.
$2. Well, Brooke, you can close out your trading and buy 10 more of those.
Yeah. Come on now. That's a few accounts. Okay, I'll get a fee for a trade C. That's a few accounts. I get a fee for trade C. So I'm guessing you were saying I'll get a few. I have better luck in that with Lucy. Yeah. Gosh. Support it. Buy a couple. Buy a couple. Trade it on Trade C. Get it to pay out. Go live with them and just get it done.
Yeah, they got a pretty cool live program. You get daily payouts and
daily payouts on live. And they move you to live fairly quick. Fairly quick. So
that's what I hear.
That's what I heard too. So we shall see. Need to go get some water. Let me go. Man, my OBS is so much cleaner now with getting rid of so many things. But
Codex to the rescue.
No, this was all me. I said there, that's why I was having so many issues earlier, but this was all me. Let me go get some water.
All right. So I'm looking at my trades. My first entry was 29,542. Then I added a couple up near the 50% range. I'm gonna close one of my contracts down below the around the 530, which is the Asia Orb high, and that'll bring my average back up to around the 67 range. And I would like to close. That just cuts my risk down a little bit, and then I close one down around 100 points, and then the other one probably I'm gonna shoot for the 60, 360, 350. Hold the last contract as kind of a runner. There we go. And when we hit,
Oh, look at this trade. Look at the trade.
when we hit my profit on this first one, I'm gonna bring down my risk to the top of that wick. That'll only be
Anybody else see something similar?
$60.
Anybody else? Anybody else want to come look at this?
I like the MACD rolling. Come on.
Anybody else
G
want
put
to
me
come
onto
look at
it.
this?
And JD. Try and teach me.
Look at that dump. There we go. This is a nice trade. Oh, there we go. There we go, guys. There we go. Look at this push down right here. Bro, I can't drag this into profits, right? So I gotta put like I2 here.
I'm not sure. I haven't traded on that in a minute.
I'm gonna put a stop at 545. That's what I'm getting. Yeah, buy stop right there. 545. Look at this dump. That's a beautiful dump. So and then I'll keep one as a runner, but I think, yeah, I gotta change it here. Go one. Buy here. So at least my runner would get stopped out in profits. I'm gonna try to close two out right there at 545. If it comes back to hit me, then I'll close this one. Yep, there goes the two. I'll close this bottom one. So I got a buy stop here. If it comes back to that wick, but ideally, I would like for it to come down to Asia Orb low. See a nice retest of that. And that's the trade. Right now, the profits have been, I don't even know. Let's see if we can see this thing here. $79 in profit so far. Secured. Got another 75 floating. So pretty decent trade.
Yeah, I closed my first contract that I entered out. And then I'm gonna let two run. So I made about $10 on that from this
Ain't that the
initial
true
entry.
team? Team said they hit their TP before the dump.
Look, we're all making money on. You went long, made money. Now we're on short, making money.
Yeah, but he made a lot more money than I make for the week.
But if we would have taken 10 contracts where he was there,
oh, I would have been up $800. Would have been $800 right now.
take it back down to 511.
And this is a eval. I should have went heavier, but I'm trying to get used to all these different platforms. This Wealth Charts, as you guys know, was giving me a lot of lag and whatnot, so still got the account on Wealth Charts, but I just gotta try something different for the stream to make it a lot cleaner. Yeah, look at this dump. Look at this dump. And look, it wicked me out 15 points ago. Yeah, somebody come look at this. All right. So if this was a W, put a 1 in the chat if it was a W. And if it was an extra W, go ahead, hit that Halcyon link and go get an account.
That's the difference between his end of days and his trailing draws, because I would have taken all my profits out there already with the trail.
See something here.
I didn't realize.
You know, let this play out for a second. Checking something real quick. Well, I guess he's gonna come back out and stop me out. And I'm stopped out.
Came back, tested the toward trend line, and bounced.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what happened there. This account is out to. I made 99 bucks on this account. I can see it on my TraderVate platform. It's up to 152. I want to reposition, but as you can see, it tapped the Asia orb high, which the VWAP was right there, and then took a straight bounce. So Reverend has been quiet in the Discord.
All right, just stopped my one contract out, so I'm down $2. And this last contract's about 35 bucks up. So let's see. Speak of the champion himself. Might not do that.
$480. So you still in the short?
Oh, smacked me. I'm out.
So you should have been in the profit. Oh, got you. So, oh, you got an account? Oh, let's go. Which account did you get? It never goes too good when you get your first account.
Well, it goes one of two ways. It melts it or you do amazing, and then you think you're invincible.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, that's not bueno. Gotcha. Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah, look at that bounce off of VWAP, guys. Look at that beautiful bounce off of VWAP. We already know, and I wasn't even paying attention. I should have closed all 3 contracts there, but that's fine. Still made profits, only a little 99 bucks. But this was the buy right here, and now we're gonna potentially move up to the 640 range. Potentially. Actually, I kind of like that a lot because you have the 200 on the 5-minute. On the 15-minute, you have the proprietary. Now check. Let me see something. Let me see what this gives me. Guys, check this out. You want stats? I give you stats. If you want stats on what goes on in the market with all of these trades, I'll give you stats. My algorithm that I built for this actually has a, right here, you see it right here, 75% win rate right here. Average trade of 2,300. And this is just not taking the trades. This is building an algorithm, and based on my entries and whatnot, I've got to configure to what I would normally do, and this is what it does. It's building the stats. So if you want stats, guys, I got stats for days for you guys. But I know that can be a lot.
Team says rejected from the 375 fib from swing low to high. We're casually flexing his market maker indicator. No, he doesn't flex that. He flexes the $2 watch and his $2 Cuban.
Come on, look at this. Somebody come look at this. Somebody come look at. Listen, how many people know about? I'm gonna flex while this market moves a little bit because I'm gonna take the short at 640. Let me get my OBS. How many know about that little brand right there? Right? Check it out. That's what this bracelet is. It's an Invicta.
Now
they
made bracelets.
Yeah. Now, this also came in the mail today. That's to go with the bracelet.
If you like that, Brick, I got something for you.
That's to go with the bracelet, right? This I got a bunch of Invicta watches. I've been collecting Invictas for years. I got a lot of Russian divers and Sonomas, big face. I got one that's about 2 inches thick, huge. I've been loving, but you couldn't beat the price of these. You just can't beat the price that I was getting them for. So,
I guess I must send you a site. I must send you a site.
Nothing bootleg. You see, I buy all original.
You want? I can get you a Breitling.
Super clone?
No, the original.
This is another Invicta this is what I normally wear on a daily. A little, another Invicta there. I got them everywhere. It means victory RTY. Wait, what is RTY doing? Hey. Oh, we want to talk about a box trade. Look at this. I don't even got to draw the box. It's been bouncing between previous day close and previous day low. That's your box right there. All on its own. Boom, 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 boom. Right there. Oof. What is ES doing? See that? ES, chopping. Chopping. I'm going to short. Switch these contracts to 3. I'm going to short here. 631. I don't even know what this red line is. I gotta go look it up to see what it is. But I'm gonna put a sell limit. Oh, had I seen this? At 631, I'm gonna go with a sell limit. I like it on the 15. I like it on the 5. The minute I'm going to 631 is because by the time this market goes up there, it should hit that.
631 is a New York session or below.
Bro, why isn't?
You see that, Burke?
No, I don't. I'm trying to see. Let me look at your screen. Look at why it's not showing up here. Because normally I have all of the sessions show up. Let me see what's going on here. Did I configure it to only show? Wait, New York signal window.
Can you? Is my trading view chart showing up there?
No, I only see your quant hour.
Let's see. Yeah, Brick. That 631 is a New York session low. I have it on my,
So that's why this is here, maybe.
yeah, 631 is the New York session low. The 50% was 63, and the 100% low is 492.
Oh, that works. Oh yeah, duh. Look at this. The thing is, I kept looking back. Wait. Oh my God, I moved it out of the way. That was a huge mistake.
Moved it
and
right
I moved
in.
it into the trade.
All right, you're gonna go profitable in about 3 seconds.
It's already there.
You can close it.
It's already there. It's already there. Come on. 5, 3. See if I can get smacked out of this real quick. Oh no. Did that? Oh, okay. It got me out somehow. I don't know. But yeah, you're right. That's. I said the red line, and you are right. This is the New York high, New York low, and that is the trade that I'm still want. At 631, so I'm gonna put that back on there. But I made a little bit of profit on that, so made like $30 profit by mistake. It's not behind. Tracy is not behind anything. That's the live market. Or trading view is behind, yes. Yeah. No, you gotta close your trading view. If you're looking at your trading view, don't stop looking at it. What I would recommend, Rev, that you do is in TradeC, you can add your own indicators. You know, convert what you look at in trading view to there. Hey. Oh, well, that trade plays out. Nah. Savage got a bunch of boxes. Not gonna lie,
Yeah,
Asia Open 5 minute candle scared me with 87 dump.
yeah. The boxes I got here are my Asia Open, and then 50%, 100% up here, and then this is the lower end. Change the colors around a little bit.
Oh, look at that dump. Look at that dump. You go to the restroom.
This holds above here. I might take a long. Put some buy limits above this candle. We got 27 seconds to close. Here we go. That's a 200 EMA. The white line is the SMA. Yep. Yeah, this is a 2-minute chart. Send a break even here. You know, if I close one here, I'll be even on the day, break even, and then profit.
Are you long?
Yeah.
Nice. I went to the
I was looking at the
flushed it.
I was looking at
took it long.
I was looking at this 2-minute candle when it flushed down, and it was looking really bullish coming to the end of the candle. So I took 3 contracts long at the top of the candle. So if it pushed up, looking for continuation, and I closed one out. Let's see, closed one out right here, right where my second contract sits, and then my last contract
nice, is man.
Yeah, how about it?
That what you got?
No, it's a new arrival.
Oh.
I love Invictus.
I love Invictus. Oh, I gotta show you my collection then, man.
Yeah, we'll do some compare. I just can't wear watches a lot because my type of work I do, I'll destroy them. So I gotta get those whatnot $2 watches. So I'll be all right.
Come on, right here, baby, right here.
No. I don't mind breaking those. My other ones I use for like special occasions when I go out and stuff like that. But back in the day when
batteries on mine.
I don't know if you ever seen World of Watches back in the day.
Yep.
But I collected a lot of watches off there. You can get 80-90% off a lot of these Invictas and things like that. But
that's how I built my collection.
They were a Florida-based company, so
yeah. Invicta is also a Florida-based company.
Is it?
Yeah. Let me look this one up.
Oh, I guess I'm just looking here. They merged and focused operations into Jamba Shop. So it's a larger luxury discounter. I'm about to look at that. All right.
Oh, they don't
Push
even
up.
have a price on the Speedway. Time for what not to get it. MSRP
Uh,
$25.95.
Yeah, let's say this $2,500.
Jeez, look at this. This is what Savage is looking at, guys, right here. I ain't make it there yet. When I make it there, then we can buy one. But Savage trades better than I do. Look at that movement, though.
Yeah, I'm making $30. Do you know how many trades it takes to get that?
That's nice. The 58 millimeter case. I love that. Huge casing. That's nice. That's what he's looking at. All right, are we? Oh wait, are we in this trade yet or what? Nope. Market should stay bullish till pre-NY. Okay. Team is super bullish right now.
Team, I still think I love this long from down here from 29,363. But again, you still have some sell side liquidity down here. You think we're going to push up into New York and then pull back down into this area, take the last liquidity out?
Well, here's my outlook, right? You guys know how I'll be trading my line. So we broke the 200 yesterday at noon. There hasn't been a clean retest, but you see that algorithm right there with the arrow? That's the algorithm telling me to take the short there. Have not had a retest, even to my proprietary. Have not had a retest, and this is all on the 15-minute. Have not had a retest at all. On the 5-minute, you can see it cleanly has had no retest except for here at 11:50. Right before it broke the 15-minute one. So maybe it is engineering Tory trendline liquidity for New York to run it through. Okay, but this is why I got my sell limit up here. It's because there hasn't been a retest. So quick scalp would be, it smacks the 15-minute proprietary, boom, rejects, and take it right back either to previous day close or to the 9, because the 9 is going to be super low down by like days open. So that'll be a quick scalp of 60, 70 points, and then that'll be that trade. That's the reason I'm looking at this sell right here.
Anyway, stop loss below this candle wick here. Not liking this position now.
Not liking this position. Let it come up to the 930.
How you doing over there, Rev? Still have the count? Two.
2000. He said. He said.
You know, Rick, we need to have like a somber music song for like this account bites the dust.
Guys,
We'll make
you
a
guys
Sona one.
haven't told me that we've been listening to the same song for the last 2 hours, guys. All right, say no more. Everybody pops one. What you mean? Even as you get payouts, you're gonna pop some. You don't keep an account forever.
You would have patched your account.
All right, let's see. Savage asked for it. Let me go create it. See what this sounds like. Come on, push up. Go get me. Savage, you still in your long? Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm still in it.
Oh, did we lose Savage? Yeah, we lost.
Yep,
Savage
you lost me.
second.
I lost the internet in my house somehow. That's why I have stop losses and take profits.
Let me see this beat. Let me bring up my charts for you. Bring up yours. I still got my sell limit at 631, guys.
Well, I have it. Yeah, this account that I'm trading right now is actually Top Step. So I could log into Top Step with my phone or Trade C if I was using them. But if my house loses internet, I lose cell phone reception too. So it's a terrible service here.
Yo, we gotta listen to this song. Oh man. This listen. This right here is like a testimony to the way I trade. Yeah, don't laugh at me.
Let's turn it up a little bit.
Let me bring it up.
Green screen, clean
Let me see
playing
if it's
NQ on the
coming through
radar. Prop
YouTube.
firm, Logan shining like a brand new sports car. Evaluation pass, told the group I'm funded. Screenshot so bright, every cousin got summoned.
Brick small, stops tight. Patience in the zone, trailing drawdown. I respect it like it's carved in stone. 1A plus setup, then I'm taking my payout. Made $50 a day already planning the steakhouse. I said no FOMO, no revenge, no chase. Then price
Move 2 ticks and I made a different face.
Another I-town bites the dust.
Another one.
Another I-town bites the dust. Started with a plan, ended with one more trade. Now I'm back at checkout, buying another evaluation.
Another account. Another account.
Another I-town bites the dust.
Monday green candle, I'm a market philosopher. Tuesday sized up, now the candles look more ominous. Stop loss move.
It's just a little breathing room, arrogant down like I'm lowering the rent in my room. Daily loss, limit flashing, I call it decoration. Revenge trade into a supreme concentration. Over trading all morning, one more trade at noon. FOMO kick the door and wearing borrowed cartoon shoes.
NQ did a backflip, my confidence left town. Trailing drawdown.
We all go through those moments, man. All of us. Bro, this thing didn't hit my 631.
My position, my I flip positions on me, Bert.
You flip positions?
Yep.
Look at that. This man is scalping the market. This is the worst, Rev, when you have the right trade, but you over leveraged and then it ticks you out and then it goes your way.
Yeah.
It makes you want to break some things.
Somebody come look at that.
I'm done trading for the night. See y'all tomorrow.
Somebody
What's
come
up,
look at
Miss
that.
K?
Yeah, there she is. Rev, let me introduce you to the world famous Miss K.
I am over there, Miss K. You're not supposed to see that. Yeah, he's been gone for like 20 minutes now.
Yeah, he's taking a.
I know you see it all, Miss K. I know for a fact you see it all. Miss K, put in a good word for me for their Spanish stream. Come on. I would love to stream the mornings for them. They know you. He locked himself out. Oh, that's what he did? Oh, no. Out of the office?
That's hysterical.
Bro, all right, so go in that chat. All right, so this is what we're going to do, right? We're going to go in that chat right now.
We're going to
send everybody here. We're going to send everybody to this stream right here, right now. Everybody hit the like button.
And Burke, I should put. I hear highly favored traders weren't locked out of the office.
No, because it comes up with the name. Wait, I don't know what YouTube you're locked into. I'm trying to
get you banned.
Yeah, don't do that. That's so wild. Poor guy. Poor guy. It's holding the 9 EMA. It's holding the 9 EMA on the 15-minute. So we see this here. Oh, wait. Why isn't my screen all the way out? Hold on, guys. Right there. Right there. So it's holding the day open and the 9 on the 15. On the 5 is holding up the proprietary, but now the market is trapped on the 5. So we shall see.
It might stop me out on this.
Well, yeah, because you're short now, right?
Yeah. Which
I would love for this just to pump up and get me. No, you can either get another account or reset it. That account is gone. Well, it should be if you go into your active accounts or trader dashboard, you should see, I think it's under active accounts. You should see a reset button there. Really want this to pump up. Some of the chats they're putting over there is funny. His wife got him in the headlock. She's beating him up.
I was trying to tell him how to get into his room. I do it for a living. Oh, it's gonna hit me.
Yeah, it was tickling you. It's tickling you. I do want it to pump up, Savage, no lie. So I do want to see a massive push up. Look at this.
It's hitting that proprietary though. It's gonna dump right here. I'm at a good stop loss.
On what time frame you looking at the proprietary?
2 minute.
Oh, the 2 minute. Dos minutos.
I'm looking at it on my other chart because it's not on my quant tower. I'm on a 5 minute on my quant tower. This new 5 minute candle just opened. Let's see this thing done.
Got 4 minutes left on the 15 minute. It's at 50-50, but it's got a nice buying tail. Like on the 15 minute, look how clean this is from the 9. Like that is so clean right there. So let's just see this pump up. What we looking at? Well, we got Savage is in the short. I'm still waiting for the pump up to the 930 zone. Savage is in the short.
Dump it.
Let's go. Push this thing. Yes, push it down. It doesn't want to pick me up.
Here, I'll close here so we can go long, and then.
Well, it needs to break this zone right here at the 567.50. That was my zone from this morning. So. Video's looking weak. Oh, excuse me, guys. On days. 36. I go through all of these. Bunch of houses to go look at.
All right, hit me, and so you can take Burke out. Man, it's just toying with my entry or profit. See that? How close I got.
That's crazy.
563.75. 25 cents, one tick. Come on.
Good Lord, this lady sent me so many houses. It's coming soon. Oh, but
Green screen, clean plan, NQ on the radar. Prop firm, Logan shining like a brand new sports car. Evaluation pass, told the group I'm funded. Screenshot so bright, every cousin got summoned.
Brick small, stops tight. Patience in the zone, trailing drawdown. I respect it like it's carved in stone. 1A plus setup, then I'm taking my payout. Made $50 a
Oh, what is that? They missed me by 25 cents and then pumped up to my entry again. I'm almost 70 ticks down. Let's go. It hit me. Oh, it missed me
oh,
again.
that's a nice move.
It
That's
missed
a
me
nice
again.
push down. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna get my entry.
I don't think it's gonna hit my profit. There it goes. Ping. All right, I'm up $70 for the night.
Let's go. Market really didn't do much, even from the bottom, but it did go up 100 points. From that bottom, right at 815, as we were struggling to get on. That would have been the nice move. I don't think it's gonna get my 631. Yeah, that's. I wanted the 631. I didn't get it. But overall, we made a little bit of profits today. I made 128 on this account. I'll work hard at this account for the rest of the week and next week, and it should be funded. We hope. Hey, risk management all the time. Somebody on the Discord not lose an account today as they're learning. I'm reading something. All right. But I don't know if this thing is gonna come up. It's just literally in a box. Remember this, guys. Look. I'm gonna show you something. So, you know what just happened here? Look at this. It just went into the box of the day's range. Right there. This is where this is going to stay right now.
Now you draw the box.
But here's something else that I'm looking at that it just stood out. I'm really not a pattern trader per se, but I observe the patterns, right? Um, this potentially is an inverse head and shoulders, right? Forex traders love to trade patterns and whatnot. So you get your left shoulder here, you got your head here, you got your right shoulder here, and then you continue to go up. So that's where like Team made a comment earlier that he sees this market should stay bullish until pre NY. I don't trade patterns again, but I look at patterns because it's something that I learned in the Forex industry. So this potentially can be an inverse head and shoulder. The inverse head and shoulder normally comes off of the downtrend. We had a downtrend, did that. This is also what's called like a tweezer bottom. And that's also a sign of bullishness. So just something that to look at, right? I'm not a pattern trader again, but I always look at them and I try to find a conviction based on what I'm looking at. And if it lines up with what I'm looking at, then I'll take the trade. But yeah, that's I think the market's gonna stay here for the next few hours. I think it'll just really just stay in this range of the NY. Then now he drew the box. It's trapped. You guys know that when I say it's trapped, it's in between two of my EMAs, right? It's trapped. The market is literally trapped right here. So that to me is a no trade zone unless we come up here. Look at the 30. Bro. This is actually pretty bullish. 15-minute, it's holding up the 9. 30-minute, holding up the line with 10 minutes left on that candle. The 1 hourly candle is about at the 50% range, so it's fairly weak. 4 hour, can't even see 4 hours doing. That's bullish. Look at this huge buying tail on the 4 hour. But it could close as another doji. I think this one is like a dragonfly doji or a butterfly, something like dragonfly or something. So, and this one also has another 10 minutes left. So the 10 o'clock hour could bring in some volatility. Either side. On the daily, still got a long ways to go. But what did today's daily do? Bro, look at the daily. Don't tweet. What did he say?
Did he say dump the market? Oh, he's full of it. Wait 5 minutes. They'll come back out and be like, he's lying.
Two very important things in the market: finding an entry and planning an exit. Absolutely, team. And that's team's words of wisdom right there.
Yeah.
That's team's words
Love
of
it.
wisdom. So I see a little imbalance here on the daily. So just gonna leave that out there. See what is it gonna do. That's a little imbalance. We got a bunch of imbalances here. What you mean? Hold on, I did draw a box on the daily. I remember. Let's go.
Ooh.
All right, are we gonna go up? Yeah, it's not gonna go up. Yeah, same thing. Those on Discord, stay on the Discord. Savage, do you got anything else?
I'll stick with the Reverend here because I'm sure you know Mark Patterson. We'll stick with the lion on a snowy pit. The goal is then to avoid every pit, so make sure you don't leave the pit in the same straighter you fell into.
Come on now. Dude, this guy. Listen, we're forcing Savage to read books and look up quotes now. We're gonna make
Oh,
him
no,
into a
I-
genius.
I actually
We're
went to
gonna-
his church in DC, and
Oh, really?
the Circle Maker book that he wrote. I walked that path that he did that he talked about in it. So
Oh, come on.
So I know him, not super personally, but I've been to his church and talked to him.
Let's go. Let's go. Hey, prompt. Hold on. You just
You saw my library behind me. You're not making me
Yeah.
read books. I got plenty of nuggets.
For my channel. Well, guys, I got nothing else for tonight. We made a few bucks. It was nice and easy, nice and slow tonight. We missed a major move. Team caught that. He made an absolute killing.
The team was the winner tonight.
Yes, team. Well, team is the winner every night.
Yeah,
We're gonna
that's
get
true.
him one day, possibly, hopefully, into a guest into the stream. Would love to be able to chat with him. Been
I
a
just want
faithful
him
supporter.
on video when he's out sending tickets to people.
Yo, that'd be so dope.
Like, this car is violation. $300.
Yes, you should send me something like that. You know, keep their license plate off the stream. That way you're fully protected. But that'd be so cool. Send me your most random tickets that you give people. Or actually, you can even send us a picture and be like, let's take a poll. Should we give this guy a ticket or not?
That would be fun.
We can we can give tickets on a poll basis, right? Let's have a little bit of fun with it. We'll all help you do your job. But guys, thank you for stopping in. Thank you for tuning in tonight. Tomorrow we're gonna catch another banger night. Today, even though it made 100-point move, we wasn't able to catch it, but we saw it. And it was good. Team, you just let me know. We on it. Whatever you want to do, sir. I appreciate you guys stopping in. Listen, like and share the stream. Help us keep. Let me see where we're at on likes, because I feel like we hit like a stagnant point. Let me take a look here, guys. And we just need the help of the community, guys. We just need your help. Help us out. Yeah, we're still stuck at 124. Been there for like 3 days. Help us get the likes. Help us get the algorithms up. Yeah, just help us, guys. This is a community effort, and we look forward to growing together with you guys soon. Now that we got a small affiliation with Halcyon Trading, we'll be able to get accounts soon to give away. So that's a big blessing for everybody involved. Halcyon has been pretty decent, and I'll have more to report on them here very, very soon. But that's all I got for tonight. We're going to see you guys here, same time, same channel tomorrow. We'll be here right on time tomorrow. Don't forget to click like and subscribe on your way out. And you guys have an amazing night. Stay blessed. Get into your prayers. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Adios.
Late night. Hey, just session. Screens glow.